Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Justits account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Justits account, firstly open your Justit application. The home page of Justit will appear on the screen. Click on the settings option with the little gear icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, click on Logout just below the Delete Your Account option at the end. You will be logged out of your Justits account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Justits account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.